And in today's video, we will be showing you this awesome collection of Ryan's Gobsmax. Thank you Brambo Toys for sending this to us. Let's take a closer look at what we have here. We have a 2-pack, a 5-pack, a big mouth target case, and a monster truck. Let's open the 2-pack and the 5-pack first.
The 2-pack comes with a launcher and 2 Gobsmax. One of them is a surprise one.
The 5-pack comes with 5 Gobsmax and one of them is a surprise one. The Gobsmax mouth opens on impact to reveal teeth and the points icon. You can challenge your friends and try out the Gobsmax game. Let's see who are the mystery figures, and then we're gonna try out the game. Guys, I got Peck. Peck is a penguin.
Let's see what's my mystery one. I got Pilot Ryan.
Guys, here's the checklist, and I just realized that both of our mystery ones are rare. Peck and Pilot Ryan are both rare. And here, there are instructions on how to play the Gobsmax game. There are different ways of playing this game. The way that we're gonna play it right now is where you drop it, it opens, and then you can see their icon, and whoever gets the highest icon wins. I got it.
I got crushed.
No! There are 4 symbols. Arrow beats diamond, diamond beats cross, cross beats arrow, and crush beats them all. I got the cross, and Tristan got the crush.
I won this round.
Let's move on to the next round. I want Superhero Ryan.
I want Pirate Ryan.
Okay. Oh, I got cross again.
I got diamond. And diamond beats cross, so I won the round 2.
Now let's try the launcher version of the game. Oh! You lose! I win! Next up, we have the Big Mouth Gobsmax Ryan. Let's open it and we'll show you how to play with this one. We got him out of the box, and there's 1 Gobsmax hiding inside, so let's see who he is. We got Pirate Ryan and a yellow launcher.
So now we have a red and a yellow launcher. And this launcher goes here. You can separate the bottom and the head by just pushing it out.
And now, once they're separated, you can play a points game. There's 70 points here, 85 points here, 50 points here, 25 points here, and 100 points in the middle. You can launch it off of the head into one of the point things. You try to get to 100, but it might go at 25, 70, 85, 50, or if you're lucky, the 100. Okay, Tristan's going first.
And I'm gonna try it. I missed.
Why?
Missed. Definitely
A
not.
little bit harder. Oh, Tristan got 50 points. Oh, I got 85 points. I win the round.
Oh.
It is pretty hard to get it in. Oh! Tristan got 85 points. 85. Oh, that went in and bounced out. That went into the 100 and just bounced out. I got 70 points. Tristan wins this round.
Yay!
After you're done playing, you can close it up and store your Gobsmax inside. Just like that. And now, we're ready to show you the Gobsmax monster truck! You can drive it around and scoop up the Gobsmax, and then you can launch them out. I'm curious to see how it works, so let's get it out.
Now I'm gonna see what's the mystery Gobsmax.
It's a Peck.
It's a Peck.
We have two Pecks. This one's an X, this one's a Crush. So, the same characters don't always have the same icons. That's good to know.
Let's take the truck out and see how you scoop the Gobsmax up. Okay, I'm gonna scoop these two Gobsmax.
Oh, and these two. What about these two?
Yummy.
This one's left behind. It's thought it lived. I live.
Yum.
No.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's how it scoops them up. Now, let's try to launch them. I caught.
Now let's launch both of them.
What? I can't catch those. I caught Peck. Oh! I tried to catch.
I need my Peck to smash.
When you move the truck, it makes the Gobsmax spin.
You can store your Gobsmax in here. And there's not enough space up here. You can store some in there too.
We are super impressed with all these Gobsmax toys. And the best part is that you can include all your family and friends in these fun games. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a big thumbs up, hit that big red subscribe button, and don't forget about that notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Goodbye!